Welcome, y'all, to the video today. We're actually going to be making some ranch burgers, ranch bacon burgers today, y'all. So, and of course, I got some french fries that's going into the oven too for a side and that kind of thing, but that's what we're going to be making today. So before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive all the videos that upload from this point here on out. And if you ain't seen the ones I did before, go check them out too. And as you can see from here, I'm putting the hamburger on the plate actually because I wasn't sure how to actually put the burgers together, so I just chose to use a styrofoam plate, put all the hamburger on there, and then you see on the side I got that ranch seasoning. The ranch seasoning is that powder seasoning packet that you can make ranch dressing out of. Is actually the seasoning, not the actual liquid ranch dressing. So make sure y'all got that right when y'all go into the store to get the ranch for the burgers. So and you can experiment with the regular ranch dressing. I'm not sure how that'll turn out, but you can definitely experiment, put it that way. But like I said, that's what I'm using for this. I'm using the ranch seasoning packet. So I made three. I had two 1 pound packages of hamburgers, so I guess 2 pounds of burger meat. And I know I put some I have had one hamburger and one lamb because I love lamb meat, y'all. So I put some lamb in there as well. But you can just use all hamburger or you can use all lamb. That's ground lamb, that's up to you. But I use both, half and half. So what you see me doing now is actually taking the powder, the ranch seasoning, and putting it like making like a little hole inside the hamburger and just working it on through, putting some on there and just working it on through to make sure that ranch seasoning gets throughout that hamburger, or get, I guess, lamb hamburger, I guess you could say. But like I said, I'm doing that to all three of them. Like I said, to make sure that these burgers get enough seasoning on them and that you can actually taste the ranch flavoring inside once they are cooked. So like I said, that's what I'm doing on this part here. You can season it any kind of way that you want with the ranch, but I would recommend once you make your hamburger balls, you can like just like I'm doing, putting the seasoning on the hamburger balls, mixing it on through to make sure each of them get enough seasoning on them. So like I said, definitely don't miss this step. You can use other seasonings too, but like I said, that's the main show of this is the ranch, because they're ranch burgers. So like I said, you definitely have to make sure that you use that. And these burgers, like I said, these are really big I guess burgers. Like I said, I used the half of the regular burger meat and some lamb. So like I said, these are some big burgers actually. So you don't have to make them that big if you don't want, but I love making big giant hamburgers. Why? I'm not sure. I've been making them since I was a kid. So well, not since I was a kid, but probably like a preteen. I've been making those big old giant I call them skillet burgers. So that's what I call them here. So like I said, you'll see me just, like I said, getting my hands clean, all that kind of stuff. But the burgers are ready to go into the pan. All right, y'all, the burgers are now going into the skillet. I put a little bit of grapeseed oil in there just so they won't stick, but I know that when you're cooking burgers, it's going to create its own little grease and juice and that kind of thing anyway. But I put a little bit in there anyway just to make sure that nothing would burn, nothing would stick, so I didn't want these bad boys to mess up. So, and like I said, I did make some bacon. The bacon is should be already in the oven. I don't show that part on the video, but I do have another video where I make bacon in the oven to be crispy and awesome tasting. If you haven't seen that video, I'll try to link it in the description of this particular video so that you can go ahead and check that out as well and see how you can make your own bacon in the oven, because I did not fry it here at all. And the french fries are already in the oven too, y'all. I already had all that kind of stuff going. I didn't say that in the beginning, but I'm telling y'all now it's already going. And as you see, the burgers are now in the skillet, so we just gonna let them cook, y'all. as you can see here, of course, the bacon is now coming out of the oven. It's on that pan that you see sitting right next to the skillet where the hamburgers are cooking. So I'm pointing to it. So that's the bacon. Like I said, it's definitely done. As you can see, it's crispy, 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 and it look good, y'all. Like I said, I'm going to link that video, how to make the oven crispy bacon. I'll link it in the description so y'all can do y'all bacon like that too. Let's start putting this hamburger together, y'all. I got the buns already. The bun on, of course, the bun is on the top and the bottom bun is already on the plate. And of course, I got the hamburger patty on there, and I also got the slice of cheese on there as well. And I have a little bit of mayo on the other side of the, I believe that's the top bun. You can put whatever kind of condiments you want on there. I'm throwing my bacon on top. I think I use 2 pieces of bacon for this. I just broke them right in half and just put them on top of the burger, y'all. You can do it any way that you please. I put it that way too. You don't have to include the bacon or the cheese if you don't want. But this was our dinner today, the bacon ranch burgers. So like I said, definitely that's how we made ours. You see my partner back there. He's getting his food together too, y'all. But like I said, we definitely enjoyed these burgers. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. To how I made the burgers, and if you did enjoy the recipe, let me know down in the comments if you're gonna be making this for your family, because I definitely do want to know. Let me know in the comments, y'all. And you see me putting the fries on the plate. Like I said, you don't have to include fries. I include the fries because we, of course, love burgers and fries around this house. So like I said, definitely have whatever side you want. If you want a salad, include that. But like I said, this is the video here. Make sure, again, that y'all subscribe to the channel. And, of course, click that notification bell to receive all the videos that I upload from here on out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. Peace out.